What is going on, guys? It's CT, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the iPhone 12 Pro. So I got the graphite edition, but first we're going to have to go and pick it up. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're back and we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Graphite Edition. This is the base model, so it's 128 gigabytes, and along with it I got the forest green silicone case from Apple. Alright guys, so as you can see, the iPhone no longer comes with a charging brick and headphones, so the box is super small and it only comes with the USB-C to Lightning cable and some paperwork and a SIM removal tool. And now we're going to be unboxing the forest green case, and this is just a super simple unboxing. So on to first and initial impressions of the phone. I will say that the phone feels super solid in the hands, and this phone kind of reminds me of a mix of the iPhone 4 and the iPhone 5. Super solid. I will say that the screen looks really good so far, but nothing to be blown away by. I'm coming from an iPhone 10 and I put them side to side. I couldn't tell the differences. I think one of the biggest differences between them has to be the flat display versus the curved or chamfered edges on the iPhone 10. So moving on from the design, let's talk a little bit about the cameras. I spent about an hour messing with the cameras. I haven't taken it out during nighttime or anything, but the camera looks pretty good. Again, I'm coming from an iPhone 10, but for those of you who have an iPhone 11 Pro or something more recent, I will say that this is good enough. It takes pretty good pictures, but it's not mind-blowing by any means. So one of the biggest selling points about the iPhone 12 is 5G, but unfortunately, I have not gotten a 5G plan, so I will post a full review when I test 5G, when I test the cameras, when I put it through a stress test to see if this phone is actually really worth it. But so far, one of the biggest things that jumps out to me is the design and the cameras. And for these two features, I think if you're coming from an older model iPhone, it may be time for you to upgrade. However, if you have the iPhone 11 Pro, I don't think this may be the phone for you unless you live in a 5G area like New York City or one of the big cities in the US. But aside from that, we'll put it through a test and we'll give you a full review by the end of the week. But thank you for tuning in, guys. This is a super brief video, just an unboxing to show you guys the new phone and what you can get from Apple in terms of cases. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.